Hi, this is Pat Wurzberger, owner of Farmers Insurance, the Wurzberger Agency. And at the office, we do a series called Tuesday Topic, just kind of touching on an insurance aspect of coverage that you may not be fully aware of, but one that can certainly come into play and be very, very important. And for this week's Tuesday Topic, we wanted to touch on what's called uninsured and underinsured motorist. This actually is a part of your auto insurance policy that you likely have no idea as to what level of coverage you have, but one that is very, very important to come into play. Because what it does is it protects you if someone else ever hits you and they don't carry any or they don't carry enough coverage to cover your physical injuries. It allows you not to suffer because of someone else's irresponsibility by not carrying any insurance or by not carrying enough insurance. So to help it further come into play, we wanted to draw a little bit of a diagram of just one example of a real-world example, actually, of something that has come up. We actually know the person that was involved in this accident. Thankfully, they're still with us, but it's a very common instance as to where this coverage can come into play. So in this diagram, if you would, envision this as a highway. This is a lane going right, this lane up here is going to the left, and this car is wanting to enter the highway. And he's going to want to cross traffic and go in that direction. This car is sitting here, and he sees a car coming towards him, but then this car motions that it's going to be turning. So this car thinks, okay, I'm free to go into the intersection. This car, unfortunately, doesn't see that vehicle located right behind this car. So this car enters into the intersection, doesn't realize that this car is coming at a very high speed, and there's a collision that takes place right there. We don't envision ourselves ever getting into an accident, but this is something that can occur and does occur. This vehicle is responsible for all the injuries in this car. And what happened recently, this car was carrying state minimum coverage. That is, in the state of Kansas and Missouri, $25,000 per person of bodily injury coverage, $50,000 per accident. This individual was severely hurt. $25,000 does not go very far to cover medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, everything that can come into play. This person fortunately had at least $100,000 of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. In this situation, this person had insurance, they were just underinsured. If they had not carried any insurance, uninsured were to come into play, and this individual is going to receive $100,000, and actually that's insufficient to cover all the medical bills, but they're at least getting something where this car's auto insurance was not enough to cover the full bill. This individual personally is going to be responsible for all of the other restitution needed to this car that was not covered by their auto insurance. So whether you carry your insurance with us or whomever you would carry it with, by all means, find out what you carry for uninsured and underinsured motorists, because it is protecting you for someone else hitting you, and it's making sure you don't suffer for their irresponsibility. If you have any other questions or just have an interest in reviewing an option with Farmers Insurance, the Wurzberger Agency, give us a call. We're happy to be an option for you at 913-383-3276. Thanks for watching.